Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of professional gear and products. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best leather executive swivel office chair, the Kensaker Executive Leather Office Chair. Whether you're upgrading your home office or looking to enhance your workspace comfort, this chair promises style, durability, and ergonomic support all in one impressive package. Let's talk first impressions. This chair stands out with a premium black leather finish, boasting a sleek, modern design with clean lines and a stitched, padded surface that looks just as good as it feels. The whole chair is upholstered in high-quality PU leather. It's waterproof, skin-friendly, wear-resistant, and easy to clean, making it an ideal pick for daily use in any environment. Now moving to comfort, and this is where the Kensaker truly shines. The seat and backrest are generously padded with plush cotton and a high-density sponge filling. It means your neck, shoulders, and hips get the support they need, especially during long work hours. That thickened cushioning makes all the difference in avoiding fatigue after hours of sitting. Ergonomics have not been overlooked. The S-shaped backrest mimics the natural curve of your spine, offering firm lumbar support exactly where it's needed. The headrest adjusts by up to 2 inches, and the seat height can be raised by 5 inches, helping you align the chair perfectly with your desk or monitor. A standout feature for those who like flexibility, the armrests are reversible. So whether you're typing, relaxing, or need them out of the way, they adapt to your needs instantly. It's a small but impactful feature that makes a real difference in user experience. If you're someone who likes to lean back occasionally and stretch, the chair reclines from 90 to 135 degrees. Lock it in the position that suits your working or resting style best. Whether you're focused at 90 degrees or relaxing further back, the Kensaker adapts effortlessly. Down below, the 5-star metal base ensures strength and stability. Combined with smooth rolling nylon casters, the chair glides across most floor types with ease. And with a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, you can count on both safety and durability. Assembly is another big win. The chair comes with straightforward paper instructions and can be put together in just around 20 minutes. That means less hassle and more time enjoying your new setup. All in all, the Kensaker Executive Leather Office Chair delivers exactly what you'd expect from a premium executive chair: comfort, adjustability, and professional-grade quality. Whether for long hours of work, meetings, or even casual gaming, it fits right in. So if you're looking for a luxurious, ergonomic, and sturdy office chair that blends form and function, the Kensaker might just be the upgrade your workspace needs. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more expert insights and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.